times solar arrays are located on like cheap turf grass or gravel, and so instead of having unusable land underneath it, they're making use of the land. The pollinator-friendly part is enriching the soil. It's helping birds and bees and other pollinators.
We really hope that other beekeepers try to find these pollinator-friendly solar arrays and try to find the developer and try to create these arrangements. It promotes the greater good in so many different ways. You know, it's pollinator-friendly land, renewable energy, and local beekeeping.
We're getting a lot of positive feedback from it. A lot of community members are more engaged. I think there's a bigger push for people who want to be solar subscribers. And beyond all that, there's a greater awareness.